Let us go into the subtopic of closed cycle. Earlier, we already looked at open cycle, single shaft and twin shaft arrangement, multi-spool arrangement. Now, let us look into the closed cycles. A closed cycle system can operate at high pressure, hence a high density gas. Okay, resulted a reduced size turbomachinery without alteration of maximum cycle and overall efficiency. However, it needs an external heating system, right? Figure 1.8 that I'm going to show in the next slide is a typical closed cycle gas turbine. The cycle includes a water-cooled pre-cooler between heat exchanger and the compressor. So you can see the figure becoming more complex. Even though it is called simple, but this is a simple closed cycle gas turbine. Okay, so you have the basic component, the compressor, the turbine, and the combustion chamber or the gas heater. All right, which we have the heat exchanger, we have the pre-cooler, we have an external combustion process took place, right? Just to heat, to give energy outside of the closed system, because this is a closed system, okay? But this section is an open cycle gas turbine. Another gas turbine is used to provide the energy for the closed cycle gas turbine. So beside the advantages of a smaller compressor and turbine, efficient control, the closed cycle also avoids erosion of turbine blades due to products of combustion. Okay. Also, the need for filtration of the incoming air, such as in open cycle units operating in contaminated atmosphere, is eliminated. So imagine you have a gas turbine engine. This is what we call it. It's a land-based gas turbine engine or a power plant. Maybe one of you, some of you will be working with Tenaga Nasional or independent power provider to provide power that being generated through land-based gas turbine. Some of the power plant being situated at a contaminated atmosphere surrounding environment, right? So, for example, like you have ashes from the volcano or the haze and so on. So the air quality is low in terms of there are so many debris that if you are using this kind of system, the closed system, you may eliminate the contaminated air coming into the gas turbine engine. So it can use high density fluid, okay, that can improve efficiency of the heat exchanger. So you instead of just using air, you can use other type of gases or high density fluid in the closed cycle gas turbine.